It's giving storm. It's giving I didn't know Elsa was black. It's giving, oh, so Snow White wasn't white after all. It's giving editorial. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are trying something very different. Today we have my favorite unit on Swoop 2. I have this unit in a different color and I love it so much. I'm like, you know what? Let me try it in the Swedish Blonde. And plus I'll be doing a photo shoot soon, in which God willing I'll have the vlog for you guys. But for this video we do an install. Isn't she a vibe? So stay tuned. Here's another go around at the Swoop 2, this time in Swedish Blonde. And I'm just showing you guys the lace and the construction of the unit. And I do have to make a correction. This is actually the third Swoop 2 unit that I've gotten. And I'm showing you guys the construction of this unit just so that you know yourself. It does have the combs and it does have the ear-to-ear lace. Y'all, I actually started feeling myself with this color and I was thinking, would it go with my photo shoot? But this is the ear to ear. It is pre-plucked and stay tuned for some shenanigans.
Hey! Snow White! Hey! Hey, wait, let me even pause my movie. Hey! Vanessa, this one dear. This one dear. You need to change complexion. Hey! This one dear. It's giving I'm a Barbie girl. I like that you took me seriously and you didn't understand it the way I was meaning it.
Huh?
Never mind.
Huh?
No.
You're trying to say I look like a bird, right? And yeah, y'all, sometimes when I record these videos for you guys, I'm also on the phone with my friend. And so what I love about that is, you know, sometimes I get to get some of their live reactions. And it's time to cut the lace. I do always give you guys a tip that a trick with blending your lace is to use your contour color. And the thing about this hair is you got to be a little careful because whatever color you use can be left on the actual hair in terms of it being visible on the hair. And I did get some of my contour color on the actual hair in front with the hair where the hairline is, but it kind of worked because it kind of did this little ombre thing, and it's kind of like, oh, where does the lace start, where does the lace end? It gives a little bit more of an illusion, which I did like with this unit. And with this, I didn't do too much. I used a Tresemme hairspray because I wasn't going to keep this wig on too long. It was just a test for you guys. And with these units, as you saw, I kind of have a bit of a widow's peak, not too much, just barely there. And so that's kind of a struggle with units like these that don't have an accommodation for widow's peaks. Kind of like a straight across on the forehead, and so I always have to make sure that the unit is much more further up than my actual hairline, just to make sure it's on the same level as my widow's peak. But I do love this hairline. As I mentioned, it is pre-plucked, and you know, it just looks good in terms of the blending. And so I learned a bit about how to install units on YouTube, much like you guys. And so here I am trying a new technique that I've only done a few times. I went in with my razor and tried to carefully cut this off. And since I've done this video, I've actually learned a better technique in terms of how to hold the razor. And so don't copy me. This is not a install tutorial. This is much more of a show and tell. But I'm just showing I am a beginner when it comes to installing lace fronts, much like you guys. And so this is a very relatable experience. And so if you're also a beginner, you can see how your beginner lace will look like on your head. I go back in with my hairspray just to have it melt a little bit more. Then I realized I had this line going, and I think perhaps maybe because I tied the wrap a little too tight, but no worries, no worries. Contour color to the rescue. And I think also a solution for that would have also been going in with some alcohol wipes, and that would have removed any of that white residue that I had in the front. But what I love about the Swoop collection is that it's called Swoop not because of the side bang swoop, but because it comes with extra baby hairs that are pre-swooped like this. And so I was just playing around. It's very much doll like, it's very much giving Elsa. And as I mentioned, I got this wig also because I was in preparation for an editorial avant-garde kind of photo shoot, and so I was kind of just experimenting with these baby hairs to see if, you know, we could do a little bit of that with the shoot. But I love showing you guys all aspects of the wig just so that you guys know exactly what you're getting when you do take it home. My most favorite feature of this unit is that side swoop bang, and I fluff it out. Oh guys, and notice the ombre variation with the color. Notice how it gets much more frosty towards the end, and I actually love that subtle feature of this color, Swedish Blonde. Even as you get towards the nape of the unit, it gets a little bit more gray. I love the subtleties of the colors of the units that Outre has been putting out. Outre, keep doing your thing. I am loving how you guys do colors. You guys do colors and you do them well. And so another styling variation. Y'all, I was shocked when I split it down the middle and I saw the lace. It looked good. And you know, with synthetic units, sometimes the lace, and when you do part it looks a little skeptical, and sometimes it's the lace itself and the parting itself that gives away the fact that it's a synthetic unit. But you don't have to worry about this one, baby. You don't have to worry at all. And I will say the Melted, as of right now, the Melted Hairline collection is my favorite line, and this Swirlista collection is actually under also part of the Melted line that Outre has. It gets a little confusing when they have lines under lines, but for the lace reason alone and the parting and everything is why I love the Melted Hairline collection. And I'm showing you guys again how easy, breezy, and beautiful it is to switch up your parting or to switch up the style with this unit. This swoop action is giving everything it needs to give. And the trick with these curly units to get the curls to lay how you want them sometimes is to twist it a little bit, how I just did. And if you want to check out this unit in Amber Sunset, I have the video on my page, because I know if I want to look bomb, I'll pop this bad baby on. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for tuning in. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.